Hi friends, good morning. This is a 3D printing installation. What the names of like how to install that, how to call for that name, everything have to include it as per the numbers. 25 numbers how. So e box is like here. Okay. Then y1 y axis. This is y axis. This is x axis. This is carriage. Z1 axis is the extension. Zn carriage is like this. It's coming. So you have to hear the printing, 3D printing. The 3D printing is this is almost 3D printing how to installation over the cold of the this is a bearing for the x-axis. This is a 3D printing all of this circular blade, everything how this is. So this picture as per to the 3D printing machine and names: cylinder, extruder, printed, studs and single lamp. The coming one lamp here, the top like red and yellow and orange, green will come. Will coming ready. That is stop.